Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class we are going to discuss about the Indian drainage system that is basically focused on Himalayan rivers and Peninsular rivers. This is an important topic for UGC NET examination in geography paper 2. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the class. First of all, what is drainage? Okay, the basic concepts. Okay, foundational definition for UGC NET. Drainage is the system of flowing water from higher to lower ground, the network of streams and rivers in an area. Okay, drainage basin or catchment is a area drained by a single river and tributaries, also called watershed or river basin, and separated by water divide. Okay, ridge line. Then water divide, that means it is a high land separating two drainage basins. Okay, this is a highland, okay, which is separated to drainage basin. Example, Ambala divide separates Indus and Ganga basin. Okay, that's why Ambala divide is a water divide. Also called watershed in Indian context. Watershed. Drainage pattern, spatial arrangement of streams in a basin influenced by rock type, slope and structure. Types: dendritic, trellis, rectangular, radial, etc. Okay, drainage, network of streams, basin, area drained by one river system, water divide, ridge separating basins, Ambala, Indus, Ganga divide, pattern controlled by structure and slope, India 12 major river basins, Ganga Brahmaputra largest basin, Arabian Sea versus Bay of Bengal, drainage. Types of drainage patterns, critical for NET MCQs, dendritic, tree branch pattern, uniform rock, no structural control, example Indus and Ganga. Trellis, rectangular pattern, alternating hard and soft rocks, whole mountains, example Himalayan tributaries. Rectangular, right angle bends, jointed and faulted terrain, example Bindhan rocks. Radial, streams flow outward from central dome and hill, example Amarkantak, Maikal hills, Mikir hills. Centripetal, streams converge towards a central low basin lake, example Loktak lake in Manipur. Parallel streams on uniform slope, example Eastern Ghats slope. Dendritic, most common and homogeneous rock. Trellis, full mountains, Himalayas. Radial, Amarkant, Sun, Narmada, Mahanadi. Centripetal, inland drainage, barbed drainage, stream capture signs, pattern, tails, rock structure type, and net frequently asked about the radial examples like Amarkantak. Okay, Himalayan rivers overview and characteristics. Antecedent, perennial, and snowfeed. Key characteristics of Himalayan rivers: their antecedent and antecedent. Okay, older than the mountains, cut gorges as Himalayas, Rus, Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. High erosive power, young rivers, steep gradient, heavy load of sediment, alluvial plains. Perennial, flow throughout the year, feed by snow and glacier, monsoon rain. Meandering in plains, loss gradient, meander, oxbow lakes, breeded in flat plains. Long courses originate in Tibet, Trans-Himalayan zone, travel more than 2000 km. Large basins, Ganga basin 8.6 lakh km square, Indus 11.65 lakh km square, India portion 3.21 lakh km square. Gorge formation, deep gorges in Himalayas, example Indus Gorge near Gilgit, deepest in world. East flowing tributaries drain into Bay of Bengal through Ganga Brahmaputra system. Antecedent, older than mountains, Himalayas, full mountains, Cenozoic. Indus Gorge, deepest river gorge, Ganga basin 8.6 lakh km square, Brahmaputra largest by discharge, Indus total 11.65 lakh km square, snowfeed, perennial character, and younger rivers, high erosion capacity. The Indus river system, Sindhu, 5 rivers of Punjab. Origin and length, rises near Mansarovar, Tibet 5,180 meter. Total length 2,900 km in and 7,900 km in India. World's second 21st longest river. Indus Waters Treaty 1960, World Bank mediated. India gets Ravi, Bias, Sutlej as eastern portion, and Pakistan gets Indus, Jhelum and Chenab western portion. Tributaries, 5 rivers, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias and Sutlej, all joins Indus in Pakistan, Punjab, land of 5 rivers. Okay, gorge and antecedent nature, cuts deep gorge to 5,200 meter in near Gilgit, older than Himalayan uplift, antecedent drainage. Right bank tributaries, Sayok, Gilgit, Hunja, Nubra from Karakoram, Kabul river from Hindu Kuch. Delta and wind, meets Arabian Sea near Karachi, delta area 8,000 km square, run of Kutch was earlier part of delta. Indus origin from Mansarovar in Tibet, total length of Indus River 2,900 km, Indian portion 7,009 km, 5 rivers Punjab and Punjab. Indus water treaty 90 Janam Senap Abbreviation Toothless. Indus water treaty 1960 World Bank mediated treaty. And Western rivers India, Western Pakistan, Eastern rivers India in India, and Western rivers in Pakistan. Deepest gorge near Gilgit. Similarly, the Ganga river system, India's sacred and largest national river, Ganga. India's national river declared 2008, length 2,525 km, 25 km, basin 8.6 lakh km square, 26% of the India's land area. Origin and course, origin Gangotri Glacier, Bhagirathi, Uttarakasi 3,900 meter, Alakananda joins at Devaprayag, becomes Ganga. Prayagraj, Triveni Sangam, Ganga and Yamuna Saraswati, mythically. Enters plains at Haridwar, length in India 2,525 mm. Tributaries left bank Ramganga, Gumti, Ghagra, Karnali, Gandak, Kusi, Soro Bihar. Right bank Yamuna 1,376 km, longest tributary of Ganga. Son, Sambal, Betwa and Ken. Then Yamuna origin, Yamunotri Glacier, Kusi, Soro, also known as Soro Bihar, and high sediment load and frequent floods. Delta and mouth divides at Farakka, Bhagirathi, Hogli, India, and Padma, Bangladesh. Brahmaputra joins as Jamuna in Bangladesh, together from Meghna, Bay of Bengal. Sundarban Delta, world's largest mangrove delta, 80,000 km square, and Ganga Action Plan launched in 1985. Ganga Action Plan launched in 1985. National river 2008 Gangetu Bhagirathi Ganga, Devaprayag, Alakananda and Bhagirathi, Yamuna longest tributary 1,376 km, Kusi also known as Soro Bihar. Son is highest right bank tributary. Sambal, Betwa and Kian, right bank. Sundarban, world largest mangrove. Meghna, Ganga plus Brahmaputra in Bangladesh. Okay, when Ganga meet Brahmaputra in Bangladesh, it is known as Meghna. Okay, then the Brahmaputra river system, Sangpo, Dihang, Brahmaputra and Yamuna. Names by region, Tibet, Sangpo. Dibang and Siang in Arunachal, Brahmaputra in Assam, and Jamuna in Bangladesh. Origin and length of Brahmaputra river, Sema Yangdong Glacier, Tibet 5,150 meter elevation. Total length 2,900 km, in India 916 km, flows east to in Tibet, then sharp U-turn hairpin bend near Namsa Borwa in Arunachal Pradesh. Then antecedent nature predates Himalayan uplift, cuts one of world's deepest gorge, Yalong Sangpo Grand Canyon before entering India. Tributaries in India left Dibang, Luhit, Huankhri, Diavaroli, Manok, Sunko, Tista, right tributaries Burhi, Dihing, Dikho, Disang and Kulsi. Characteristics: world's largest discharge, highest sediment load, braided channel in Assam, Majuli River, Majuli Island, world's largest river island. And Bangladesh Delta joins Ganga Padma to from Meghna, Bay of Bengal, Brahmaputra called Yamuna in Bangladesh, Sundarban Delta shared. Okay, Sangpo Tibet name, Siang and Dihang Arunachal name, Yamuna Bangladesh name, Namsa Borwa U-turn peak in Arunachal Pradesh, Majuli world's largest inhabitable river island, highest discharge in India, Brahmaputra, Yalong Sangpo Gorge, and Tista major left tributary of Brahmaputra. Okay, then Godavari and Krishna river system, largest and second largest peninsular rivers. Origin and length, Trimbakeshwar, Nasik, Maharashtra, Western Ghats 1,067 meter, length 1,465 km, and largest peninsular river. Origin and length, Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra, Western Ghats 1,337 meter, Krishna river, length 1,400 km, and second largest peninsular. Okay, Godavari river, drainage basin 1.1 lakh km square, largest peninsular basin, drains parts of Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Orissa. And Krishna river, drainage basin 2.58 lakh km square, drains Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. Tributaries of Godavari river left Purna, Panhita, Wadha, and Waninganga, Indavati, Savari, and in right Manjna, Bindusana, and Kinara, Sani. Okay, similarly, Krishna river tributaries left Bhima longest, Dindi, Pedababu, and right Tungabhadra, Tunga and Bhadra, Malaprabha, Ghataprabha, and Musi. Okay, then Godavari empties into Bay of Bengal near Narasora after splitting into seven distributaries, Gautami, Vasishtha, Vainatya, etc. Then Inda and dams in Krishna river empty into Bay of Bengal near Hamasala Devi, major dams Nagarjuna Sagar, Sri Salem, Almaty, and Tungabhadra Dam. Okay, is important name in the perspective of NET exam. Okay, Tungabhadra Dam is a famous dam in Krishna river. Okay, Ganga of the South and Bidha Ganga is also Godavari is also known as Ganga of the South and as well as Bidha Ganga. Okay. Godavari beat the Ganga and Ganga of South. Longest peninsula Godavari 1465 km. Second longest Krishna 1400 km. Pranhita, Wardha and Wainganga. Indravati left tributary of Godavari. Tungabhadra, Tunga plus Bhadra, the right of Krishna. Nagarjuna Dam, Krishna plus Godavari share. Delta coast, Arunachal AP, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Narmada and Tapi. Important rivers for UGC NET perspective. Kaveri, origin Talakaveri, course Karnataka, Western Ghats 1341 meter, length 800 kilometer, basin 81,155 kilometer square, drainage Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, tributaries Hemavati, Kabini, Bhambani, Arkavati in left side and right side, Lakshmana Tirtha in right side. Falls Sivan Samudra, second highest in India, Twin Islands. Delta, Kaveri Delta, Garden of South India. Water dispute, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu sharing issue, KRS Dam, Mysuru and major reservoir, Mittur Dam in Tamil Nadu. Similarly, Mahanadi, origin Sihara Hills, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, 440 meter. Length 860 km, basin 1.4 lakh km square. Drains Chhattisgarh, Orissa, empties Bay of Bengal, place Falls Point. Tributaries Sionath, Hasdio, Mand, Ip in left side, Ong, Tail and Jong in right side. Hirakud Dam, one of the India's first multi-purpose projects, 1956, world's longest earthen dam. Okay, Silica Lake is near its delta. Narmada River, origin Amarkantak, Michael Hills, Madhya Pradesh, 1057 meter elevation. Length 1312 km, basin 98,796 km square, flows west through Valley, Bindas and Satpuras, empties into Arabian Sea, Gulf of Khambat, Marble Rocks, Bhedagat, Daunudhar Falls, Sardar Sarovar Dam, tells in India, 163 meter, boundary of North and South India, culturally. Tapti origin Multai, Betul and Madhya Pradesh in Satpura range, 752 meter elevation point. Then length 724 km and flows west through the valley. Drainage Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, empties into Arabian Sea, Gulf of Khambat. Flows parallel to Narmada, 50 and 80 km south. Tributaries Purna, Girna, Panjara and Gumai. Ukai Dam, largest dam on Tapi in Gujarat. Kaveri, Dakshin Ganga, also known as KRS Dam, Krishna Rajasagara, Srivana Samudra, Twin Island Waterfall, Mahanadi, Hirakud Dam, world longest earthen dam. Narmada flows west Rib Valley, Amarkantak's origin of Narmada and Son, Sardar Sarovar, tallest dam in India. Tapi also flows west Rib Valley, Narmada divides north and south India, culturally. Okay, special drainage concepts: antecedent, superimposed, subsequent and consequent. Antecedent drainage: river is older than the present relief and mountains. River mountains original course as land was uplifted, cuts goes through rise and mountain ridges. Example: Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Sutlej and Tista. Evidence: transverse gorge across Himalayas, also called pre-consequent drainage. Superimposed or epigenetic drainage: river developed on an overlying rock cover. As cover was stripped, river lowered onto structurally different rocks below. River maintained its original pattern. Examples: Damodar, Subarnarekha, Sambal, Banas in peninsular India. Son and Sambal snow superimposition on ancient Bindhan rocks. Subsequent drainage: river develops after the initial main stream along structural weakness, falls, joins, softer rocks, develops perpendicular to the consequent stream, forms trellis drainage pattern. Tributaries of Himalayan rivers in Shivalik, outer Himalaya. Consequent drainage: river flows in the direction of the initial deep slope of the land, direct result of original slope, most common in newly uplifted land. Example: early rivers draining Himalayan slopes, parallel pattern often results. Antecedent: river older than mountains. Himalayan rivers antecedent gorge, evidence of antecedent drainage. Superimposed, developed on cover rocks. Damodar and Sambal, superimposed. Subsequent, along structural weakness. Consequent, follows initial slope. Trellis pattern, subsequent drainage. Okay, west flowing peninsular rivers, Narmada, Tapi and coastal streams. Why west flowing? Western Ghats close to coast, steep short rivers west, Rift valleys guide Narmada and Tapi westward. Narmada, origin Amarkantaka, Madhya Pradesh, length 1312 km, flows through Rift Valley, Narmada Son Fault, Bhedaghat, Marble Rocks and Daunudhar Falls, Sardar Sarovar Dam, 163 meter elevation point in Gujarat. No delta, forms estuary only by Narmada River, Gulf of Khambat. National Waterway 69. Okay, Tapti, Tapi, also known as Tapi. Origin Satpur Range, Betul, Madhya Pradesh, length 724 km, flows through Reed Valley, parallel to Narmada, Ukai Dam, Kakrapar Dam, Jat, North Delta forms Kesturi at Surat, empties into Gulf of Khambar, drains Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Short western coastal streams, Periyar, Kerala, to 244 km, Idukki Dam, Pamba River, Vembanad Lake, Kerala, Sarabati Jog Falls, Gisopa, highest waterfall in India, 253 meter, Mandovi and Jauri, Goa, Netravati, Gurupur, Karnataka coast, all very short, steep discharge high during monsoon. Only Norman and Tapi flow West Peninsula, both flow through deep and fall valleys. Narmada soon fault major rift both from estuaries north deltas. Jog Sopa Falls, highest in India, 253 meter. Periyar, Kerala's longest river. Sarabati feeds Jog Falls. Bhembanad, Kerala's longest lake, backwater. Okay, water divides and major drainage basins of India, catchment, inland drainage and distribution. 12 major total river basins as per CWC classification. 77 Bay of Bengal. 77% Bay of Bengal of India's total drainage area, 23% Arabian Sea of India's total drainage area, Rajasthan, Indian drainage, Luni River and closed basin. 12 major river basins, CWC, and then Ganga, largest Indian basin, 77% Indian drainage, Bay of Bengal, 23% Arabian Sea, Luni, Indian drainage in Rajasthan, inland, no sea outlet, Brahmaputra, 1,94,413 km square in India, India's total 11.65 lakh km square, India 3.21. Okay, there are some MCQ practice questions for UGC NET level. Question number 1, which river is known as Sangpo in Tibet? Correct answer is option number C, Brahmaputra. Question number 2, Shivana Samudra Falls is located on which river? Correct answer is option number B, Kaveri. Question number 3, which river drains through a Reed Valley? Correct answer is option number C, Narmada. Question number 4, Hirakud Dam is constructed on which river? Correct answer is option number D, Mahanadi. Antecedent drainage base described. Correct answer is option number B, rivers older than beds and mountain relief. Jog Gesopa Falls is on which river? Correct answer is option number B, Sarabati. Sangpo Brahmaputra in Tibet, Shiva Samudra, Gao Kaveri, Narmadan Tapi Reed Valley River, Hirakund Mahanadi 1956 established in. Antecedent river older than mountains, Jog Falls in Sarabati River, Karnataka, Jog highest Plang waterfall 253 meter, Sundarban, Ganga and Brahmaputra Delta. Okay, Himalayan rivers, antecedent perennial snow river rainfed, Indus 2,900 km, Ganga 2,525 km, Brahmaputra 2,900 km, Ganga Basin 8.6 lakh km square, largest in India, Ganga National River 2,800, Sundarban, world's largest mangrove delta, Majuli, world's largest river island, Brahmaputra, India's water treaty 1960, World Bank. Drainage systems, drainage patterns, dendritic, release, radial, rectangular, centripetal. Radial example, Amarkant, Son, Narmada and Mahanadi. Peninsular rivers, superimpose consequent seasonal and rainfall, Godavari 1,465, largest, Krishna 1,400, Kaveri 800, Norman and Tapi, west flowing Reed Valley rivers, Jog Falls 253 meter, highest waterfall in India in Sarabati, Hirakud, world's longest earthen dam in Mahanadi, Sardar Sarovar, tallest dam in India, Narmada, 77% Indian drain to Bay of Bengal, and key divides, Ambala divide, Indus and Ganga, Western Ghats, main water divide in Peninsular India. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.